This tube feeder has a baffle on top and bottom and a cage which connects them. This protects the little birds, the finches and the goldfinches, the titmouse and the nuthatches, and also the chickadees like to come to get the black oil sunflower seed. It also keeps away some of the more dominant larger birds. And you can see how much the goldfinch love this sock feeder. It's filled with a mixture of thistle and sunflower seed kernels or nuts, and they really flock to it, as you can tell. So remember, the spring and early summer is an important time to feed the birds because there's not a lot of natural food and there's an awful lot of competition for what is out there. So if you'd like to attract birds like this to your bird feeder, you need to have the best food available. That's why I buy all my seed from Backyard Birds. They're in the Peter Harris Plaza in Latham, New York, in the Albany area. The number is 518-690-2055. And as you can see, they do have a preferred bird club, which I am a member, and I really enjoy Backyard Birds and feeding the birds. They entertain you all year long.